What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when your screen is flashing or flickering when using a Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Start by checking if the Task Manager flickers. You can open it by pressing Ctrl, Alt and Delete. If you find that the Task Manager is stable while the rest of the screen is not, it's a clear sign that an incompatible application is installed on your system. In this case, consider updating or uninstalling the application causing the issue. To uninstall programs, open up your Windows settings. In the App section, click on Installed Apps. Here, filter your search by all drives and proceed to search for any recently installed apps that might be incompatible with your Windows architecture or version. Click on the three dots on the right-hand side and select Uninstall. Next, take a look at your display driver. Sometimes a recent Windows update might have updated your device, causing compatibility issues with your display driver. To address this, open up your Device Manager by searching for it in your Start menu search. Expand Monitors. Right-click your primary monitor that is flickering or flashing and select Update Driver. From the two options that appear, select Search automatically for updated driver software. Your system will then search for and install any available updates for your monitor driver. Before adjusting your display settings, make sure your monitor is properly connected and plugged into a reliable power source. Restart the monitor if you can, and then open up your Windows settings. Under System, select Display. From here, navigate to Advanced Display Settings. Under Refresh Rate, select a rate that is compatible with your display. You might be required to reduce the refresh rate from 144 to 120 or 60 if your monitor is not compatible with the settings that are available to you. Lastly, make sure your graphics card driver is up to date, as an outdated or corrupted GPU driver sometimes causes flickering on your screen. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, then I suggest using the GeForce Experience application. AMD users can make use of the dedicated AMD Radeon software. On this window, head to the driver section and proceed to download the latest driver. After applying all of these changes, it's good practice to restart your PC, and the screen flashing issue should be fixed. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.